In this video, I'm going to teach you how to drift in Gran Turismo 7 with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to drifting in Gran Turismo 7 and how you can go about doing it with a controller. So drifting in GT7 is definitely possible, and for some it is even easier to initiate than with a wheel due to the quick input changes. However, mastering the subtle adjustments for long control drifts requires practice and the right settings. So first of all, I want to highlight these settings here. Tire wear rate at 1x, fuel consumption rate at 1x, and grip reduction off track at real. So go to the event settings. You can use something like a time trial to practice. And by changing these settings here, it is going to simulate a more realistic feeling. This isn't mandatory. Like I said, it's just a recommendation. Now, when it comes to the essentials, I want to make it very clear that for this video, I'm going to go over this process and what you can do to initiate it, but I'm not going to go super in depth. The purpose of this video is to give you an initial breakdown on what to expect. First, you have the essentials. So when you start drifting, it's important that you pay attention to the manual transmission. While you can drift with automatic, having full control over your gears is crucial for initiating and maintaining the drifts. Then you have the techniques. One that a lot of people like, that is very common, is the Scandinavian flick. This is a popular and effective way to initiate a drift. You approach the corner and quickly turn the wheel away from the corner. So you turn left for a right-hand corner, for example, and then you quickly turn it into the corner. This will destabilize the car and get the rear end sliding. For powerful rear-wheel drive cars, you can often initiate a drift by simply applying a sudden burst of throttle mid-corner to break traction. Then you have the option or the ability to maintain the drift. The main way is going to be by counter steering. As the rear of the car slides, you need to quickly turn in the opposite direction of that slide. This counter steering allows you to control the angle of your drift and prevent a full spin. And you need to be aware of throttle control. If you use more throttle, this will widen your drift angle and increase speed, while using less throttle will reduce the drift angle and help stabilize the car. As you feel the traction returning, gradually straighten yourself in the direction of the slide and smoothly apply throttle to drive out of the corner. And by applying these principles, you will be able to practice your drifts. I hope I was able to help you on how to drift in Gran Turismo 7 with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.